and said I should help him and buy a house and a car in the city.
A house and a car?
Yes. That he will be coming home very soon.
And what do you want to do? Will you buy them?
Well, I'm still thinking about that.
Thinking about what? So your brother will come and collect all these things and leave you empty-handed. Opo, I think you are wiser than this. Do you want your brother to come and become a lord over you overnight?
Who said so? That is, if he will return.
I don't understand you. What do you mean by that?
Udu! To forum kitabu. And I'm the boy maybe if I did.
What up? Oh, my God,
Mbasi nkwa ka ijeje ebe n'ebe mbasi eke na ife na-eme o enwegbu anude o mbasi nkwa ka ijeje ebe n'ebe o mbasi eke na ife na-eme o enwegbu anude o okpo.
I greet you, great one.
There is a saying that a toad does not run in the daytime for nothing. It's either something is after it or it's after something. Neither does a baby. Enjoy sucking the mother's breast. Just that he has no option at that time. Because the mother has been giving him the breast from the birth. What do you want the gods to do for you?
Great one. I want to appreciate all you have been doing for me. Mostly for my brother Okezie to believe that whatever I do is not an act of wickedness, but brotherly love. There's something else I want to request from you.
Speak. I'm all ears.
It's about my same brother Okezie. He traveled to overseas and he has sent in some money for me to use and buy a car and a house for him in the city. But as I speak to you now, I have spent the money. So, I want you to do something because he just phoned me and told me that he'll be coming back very soon. I want you to do something about it.
What exactly do you want me to do? Do you want me to make him forget home, which cannot be permanent? Because one day, it must fade away. Or do you want me to make it permanent? Do you want me to kill him? Is that what you want?
Great one. I would want him to forget home. Yes, let him forget home. No, great one. Kill him.
If onye metalanya were isi ebulu obumbulu kopu nekwe kafane wetisi nekwe no isi Okezie ka nna afu afugo mi isi Okezie mani if onye metalo nya were isi ebulu obumbulu kopu welu ekesi elu na mbosi nkwa ka ijeje ebe nebe mbosi eke ni ife na-eme o enwegbu anude o monde nwulanwu na monde dị ndụ akpọkwo m unu nekwe no lukwe ka ijeje Okezie ka ị na-ekwu okwu ya. Ngwa, ekwu ya. Nya welu. Ekele m unu na-ekekene m unu na-ekekene unu n'olie na afọ na nkwọ maka otu a ka isi eme ya. Ọ gabago. Go! And prepare his funeral.
Yeah, thank you, great one. I will come back to see you.
Mbosi nkwa ka jeje ebe nebe mbosi eke ni ife na-eme o enwegbu anude o ndị nwere anwụfa na anwụ maka na fa wee isi ife bulu ife onye metara ya were isi wee bulu mbosi eke ka jeje ebe nebe o mbosi nkwa ni ife na-eme o enwegbu anude o
Uche! Hey! When did you come back?
Yeah, how you doing?
Hey! I know my husband must have given you something for us. No! How is he? I hope he's fine. Eh?
I just came back this morning and Okize is the reason I'm here.
Your face is not looking good. Is there any problem? Hey, what happened? Is it in the hospital?
Madam, I don't know how to tell you this. Honestly speaking, as I'm talking to you right now.
Please, Nkechi, let him talk now. What is going on?
Uchenna.
Honestly speaking, that is it. It's just a tragedy. It's bullshit. You see, I took Okezie to Europe and I introduced him to my normal business. Washing of plates, cleaning of house, washing of cups.
Yeah, Uchenna, did I hear you say washing of cups?
Yes.
Yeah, one them working at Sozu.
Yeah. It's normal in Europe. You see, he was not comfortable with the job because of the cash involved. He needed quick cash, fast money. He was on the fast lane. Maybe Okezie did not understand what I was telling him before I took him to Europe. I was asking him if he has the heart, the strength to make money. Maybe he misunderstood me and he eventually joined the bad gangs and he went into drug trafficking. He went on his first trip and he made some money. And when he came back, he wanted to make more money for his family because he said he wanted to come back home and settle down with his family. I advised him against it because it's dangerous. It's even against the legacy he taught me as my teacher while I was in secondary school. But he did not listen to me. You see, the Chinese government, they don't have remorse. They don't have conscience. Femoral remorse. But he said he needed to go for this last trip to make money. And he went for the trip. Unfortunately for him, the Chinese government caught up with him in the famous Hong Kong airport. We tried all our best. I spent so much cash trying to get him out. But at the end, the Chinese government gave him death sentence.
Hey! So I'm talking to you right now. I believe Okezie is dead. Hey! Wonderful! The Chinese government, they're not all... Like one dance well.
Mama, take it easy. Mama, okay. Mama, you're crying like this. What are we going to do? Okay. Okay. Oh my God! No, Papa, come back. I'm begging you, come back. So much. Oh, Papa, come back. Oh, Papa, come back. Leave me alone. Oh, you never leave me alone. Papa, it's crying too much. Jesus. Money. Hey! Nuguma. Only hand can it.
Hey! Ingongo! Hey! Ingo, baby! I can't believe this. Ngozi,
what are you doing in this part of the town?
Ah, my sister. Have you forgotten that my younger sister is married to a man in this your community?
Oh, I see. I even heard that she has put to bed. Hey!
We thank God for that.
We thank God,
and I came to do her omugo now. You know my mother is dead.
I remember.
And I'm the one taking care of her.
Oh, that is kind of you. God will bless you.
Amen.
Hey, you go Pepe. Always shining.
But how is life treating you now?
Life, and how life is treating someone in this Nigeria. There's no money, there's no business. No itato like
Money. How can you, your friend people, talk about no money when your husband is swimming in the ocean of real money?
My husband? You know, yes. Which husband?
Your husband now, Maziopo.
Opo. He's swimming in money.
All I know is that he has money and he has bought a new car.
Opo. Car. Hey! How did that happen? What did you do?
I don't know. All I know is that you have to come and claim what belongs to you before it is too late.
Mbana, I must come over. I must come and claim what is mine.
Do you know that he is sleeping with his late brother's wife?
Okay, so he's dead? And he's sleeping with Philo?
Yes.
Hey, Nakwano Philo?
Yes.
Hey, do not worry. I will come and claim what is mine. By the time I'm done, you will be hearing the story.
Oh.
See,
the earlier, the better. But please, don't let anyone know that I'm the one that gave you the information. Especially Philo.
My lips are sealed. Nobody would know. But just wait. When you hear the order, Imana money around.
I trust you. I trust you.
Hey!
I know what you can do. Let me run off and buy something for my sister.
Take care of yourself.
Okay. Well, thanks for that information. Bye-bye. Hi. Bye.
Hi. Nakwano Philo, sleeping with my man. Non-reply does not mean that I want anybody to tamper with that man. Philo, I am coming. When your father and I got married, hey, things were very, very difficult for us. He was a lazy man and a drunk. But you know why I married him? I married him because he promised he was going to take care of us. Then somewhere along the line, I met Ikem. Hey, then he had just come back from abroad. He already knew I was married and that I had a newborn baby. In spite of that, he was ready to marry me. When Banya thinking he would take care of us. He too became poor. So we had to leave the city to come back to the village. Once it was on when Marco.
Mama, why did you tell me my father was still alive?
Yeah. Is that supposed to be a question? A poor man is a dead man. Because when you're poor, people don't even ask after you. They don't even know you exist. Stop rapping on another address you're dendo.
We would have gone back to my father after Uncle Ikem became poor.
Hey! From poverty to profit to poverty. Now, I'd rather stay with Ikem and suffer small than the one I'll go. You see, that is why I've been encouraging you to make money. Make money. If it means to cheat people, cheat. Yes. If it means to do 419, 419 at the person. If it means to do aboro, do it. If he means to steal, Masiejin and I steal. Anything negative that you can do to make money, maybe. Magia Banaka, Ofena Kowale, Maki Jiden Choncho, respect Adi, Mizulori, Mizuro, Ida Fundizun, Kesia, and Etufa, Igwe, hey, Chief, Honorable, Ida Fia.
Mama, come to think of this.
Think of what?
You married my father. He became poor. You married Uncle Ikenna, who was rich and later became poor. Mama, are you sure poverty is not running your bloodline?
Shut up. One uche. Mbobuna ina soto ali onu.
Even nekubuna.
Isi mechon mama papu yeze. Nekwa trouble. Boys, now poverty is running in my blood. What kind of question is that?
Even Kulabraji, you
yes, you don't even have anything. You can't have in company making what they go. You have a fruit one when I address say nonsense.
Monica, you can't leave me like this now. Not now, please.
But when you came for me the first time, you knew I was married.
Monica, I knew you were married, but you say you're not marrying him again now.
Now I am a born again. Oh, glory, glory, glory. I have to go back to my first husband.
I want to go with you. I can't stay here.
Come shut up!
It's okay.
But don't shout at me.
I say shut up!
Please, don't worry, my daughter. I will come back for you.
Is you promise?
I promise.
Okay, Mama.
Even I never know about Ago.
Oh, Namo.
You get out of this place. Monica, please. Monica, please. Monica, come back. Monica, please. Monica. You're just crying like a bird laying a square egg. You want to leave me here and go with your mother?
Why won't I leave you here? Where hunger will become my portion. You know Mama is the only one.
Come on, shut up! Shut up!
Please, Papa, leave me alone.
Shazu, look at this idiot! Look at this idiot! Don't blame you. Your mother has spoiled you like mother, like daughter.
See, I will defeat both of you. Let me see if the sham you're using to play this game.
Bio, my sister.
You end here.
No, it's not possible.
Okay, try it now. Watch.
I told you, I'm a champion.
Okay, now play now.
My father's coming.
This is the house. I even painted it. When I left, it was a mud house.
Are you serious? So this is my father's house? I'm in charge of it.
Who are they?
I don't even know.
Good afternoon. Hi, Mama. My daughters, how are you?
We are fine.
Take this one inside. Take it this side.
It's okay. It's okay.
They don't know.
We're back.
Monica, what are you doing here?
Oh, my darling. Monica is back.
Papa, what do?
Who owns the car?
Is that what I asked you? What are you doing there, Monica?
Hey! Philo. So it is true. What they said is true. You've come to take over my house, or where? You can't walk now. Look at you. Anyway, this is your son. Also, meet your father.
Papa, well done. Have fun. Can you? Take it easy.
Now, don't worry. He will get used to you with time. Let us go inside and rest, Rico.
So let me just... Don't drop it! Let me... Drop it! Drop it! I said drop it! Get out of here!
You can't even share with your son. Now, let's go inside.
Papa, I'm back. I'll take it easy. Just come in and keep it calm.
Don't even do fashion. I hope my former room room is still available. Now we're going to feel it. We are consistent.
Papa, you don't know me. You will know me very soon. I'm just coming. You went and took it from my father. You did to buy me. I feel my mother is gone forever. As for all of you, you were rude when I came in. You may go soon here. You may even as well. You cannot talk. You pick your one and go.
Monica, leave my house!
I am not going anywhere.
Say school!
Since I, Monica. No one in trouble. You married me legally. You paid my bride price. Besides, I have a son with you, so I won't prevent you.
Look, for the bride price, I passed that to your parents. For your son, it's a mistake. So, you can leave your son behind and leave this house.
My own son?
Yes!
A mistake?
Yes, a mistake.
We're now Bonnie, Emmanuel.
Yeah.
Listen, wherever my son stays, Monica stays. I'm not going anywhere without my son.
Okay, see.
Oh, on our one. I don't want to get you. Watch how you push me before I handles you. And that's for you. I know it's because of you that he's trying to be a man. Look at you. You think you can reap what you did not sow. You want to enter inside my house and enjoy what I worked with my husband to make. Abi? But it's not possible. I can't allow that. Not Monica. And as for this your stomach, I don't know what is in there, but I would advise you to excavate it and throw it away. Else, Monica will do it for you. Please, stop insulting my mother. People don't know who are you. How dare you talk to me? I said you should stop talking to my mother. Else you will do what? Eat better. Mama, it's because of you. It's because of you. Think like you. I heard that. Oh my God, Nah, people never. People handle them. Kusielu for the Who is this one? Where this prayer goes? Who would have been? Can they down? See, let me tell you guys something. It's in this house. I'm in charge. I'm back. Go on your knees. Seven. I'm telling you
Nice. Good afternoon.
Lavina, how are you?
I'm fine.
Is your father home?
He went out.
Yeah, if he comes back, Fairly I came asking after him. That he should try and see me is urgent. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Hey there.
Udu.
Hey there. Hey there.
You're back. Yes, welcome. Welcome, Udu.
Papa, you're welcome.
Hi, love you.
I'm fine.
I hope the food is ready.
Yes, Papa.
Oh, yeah. This is for two of us.
Okay.
Immediately.
Look, Udu, I am not in the mood for any food now.
Not in the mood?
Yes.
When we stop Odogu like you not to eat in my house? Yeah? Go and eat with the two of us. What is the problem?
Monica is back.
Monica.
Monica, my wife. Udo, as I speak to you now, Monica has turned my house into hellfire.
If it is the Monica I know, hellfire is an understatement. Lake of fire is more appropriate to be used if it is Monica I know.
Look, just forget it. Udo, that is why I came to you as my very good friend, so that we can put heads together and take a way out.
Hey. I'll tell you what to do. Meanwhile, let's go inside. Calm yourself down. Let's go and eat. You can't come to my house and you will not eat. The food is ready.
I mean, don't you trust me? But I trust that what I came to.
Money. Hey! I can't freeze her. Money. One you can. I'll tell me one.
Go. In a shine. How are you?
I'm fine. You know, I just said, no, I go in. No. My sister. And I just said, no, banana again.
Biko, help yourself, oh.
Thank you.
Well, to Biko.
You know, on point. Easier. You can really here now to keep body and soul together.
Simple.
Thank you, my dear. I heard that you are back, so I decided to come and see you.
Hey! News travels fast. As fast as lightning. How did you get to know your cousin?
Your husband, of course, Maziopo. He was driving by, and I saw him. I inquired about his family. He told me that you are back.
Hey.
As my friend in those days now.
Biko, can't you cry? So when he answered you, was he smiling or frowning?
Do you even need to ask that? You know that is rumpled faced. He squeezed it. And he was frowning when he answered me.
Even when he's happy or he's not happy, he's always frowning. To chase you, okay? Because
this banana is so appetizing. It's my best thing.
I want to go around the village. Let me see whether I can see anything to catch.
Yeah. You didn't greet my friend.
Sorry. You're welcome.
Also, my son.
The one you went away with?
Yes.
That's my baby.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, how fast children grow.
Children, kwa? Can you keep on children?
Nah. Sorry. How fast men grow.
Better.
Osugo.
Okay, man, children.
Osugo. It's enough.
Now let me take small.
Take small.
Let me enjoy myself.
Osugo. Eat so that you can grow. Because you know he's a small boy. He needs to grow. That he's looking like this, all mannish and everything. He's just a kid. It's just that he started some criminal acts very early. And that makes him look rugged.
Money. A serpent must actually give birth to something that has long tail. Hey,
Nembiko, enjoy your banana, bro.
Is Fila around?
I don't know. She might be.
Okay, I want to go and see her. You know, she became my friend immediately you left.
I feel free to go and see her now. No while. Don't go visiting her with my banana. Finish it here before I get back. You know she's always begging. She will want to collect it from you and eat. Biko.
Trust me now. I will not do something like that. I must finish it here.
Biko.
See, these ones, remain it for me. If I come out, I take some.
I can even give you money to buy on your way home.
Okay, thank you.
What's up with you?
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
Uncle, I'm fine.
Looking so good. How is your mother and your sister?
Uncle, we are fine, no?
Very good. I hope you're taking your studies very seriously.
Uncle, we dropped out of school.
I don't understand. How do you mean you dropped out of school?
Uncle, we've not been able to pay for this term school fees. Though Uncle Opo said he will pay next week, that there's no money now. So, we are still waiting now.
He has no money yet. What happened to the 4 million naira your father sent before his death? What happened to the 500,000 naira I brought back for your father's funeral expenses?
Hey!
And I heard he did nothing in your father's funeral. What happened to all those money? Okay. I'll be going to the city right now, okay? And when I get back, I'll see him face to face and I'll confront him concerning that. Okay?
Okay.
Let me give you some stuff so that you pull yourself.
Hey!
Hey! You can keep this.
Okay,
yeah.
Hey! Uncle, thank you.
Don't worry, I'll get back.
Thank you.
Yeah, when I get back, everything will be fine, alright?
Uncle, God will bless you. Hey! Jesus.
Alright.
Hey! Uncle, thank you. Hey! Uncle, God will bless you.
It's all good, it's all good.
Bye-bye.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, Mama. I'm very sure.
I can't believe this. Because I can't imagine we're doing something like this.
You can't believe it. Mama, why are you defending Uncle? Nkechi said that Uncle Chinana said that Papa sent money to Uncle before his death. And you are here defending him. You're defending him now.
4 million, he said.
Yes, Mama. And he even said that if he comes back next tomorrow, he will come and confront Uncle Opo.
Hey! I can't believe this. It's Okumine. I can't.
You can't believe it, Okotokwa. You can't believe it, Osokwa. Mama, come to think of it. All of a sudden, Uncle became rich overnight. Started spending money everywhere in the village. At the same time, our father died. Mama, stop defending Uncle. Uncle knows what he's doing. Uncle is a criminal. He is.
Shut that out your mouth. I said shut that your mouth. Why shut that for you? Oh, okay. You call me a murderer. You call me a thief.
No, it's not what you think. It's open.
What is it that I think? What is it that I think? I had everything you people said. Anyway, let me wait for that useless man, idiot that calls himself Ukenna, to go and come back and tell me to my face. Then I'll know what to do to him. Useless things.
Mama, leave me alone, leave me alone. Leave me alone. This man is evil.
Yes, Mama. I've told you to listen to what you say.
Mama, Uncle is evil. He knows what he's doing.
Man, he's evil.
Wicked man. I can Papa will be sending money. You will be using the money, spending it everywhere in the
that Uchenna said will come and confront you tomorrow when he comes back from the city. Is that what is bothering you like this? Udo,
you won't understand. That's how. If he comes back from the city, everything will be exposed. What do I do to stop this from happening?
You don't know what to do? The normal thing, just stop him from coming back from the city.
Oh, that is an idea. Oh, why didn't I think towards this angle?
That is why they say 2 heads are better than 1.
2 good heads are better than 1.
Egu na-eso onye bụ igu mana igu dị ndụ ọbụrụ nke bụ
ọkụ ya? Kịta ka eto ịlụ ma alụ.
Were elata ugwu onwe ịdị ọtọkọ
ife echegbukwe
Ọga n'iru ekweme o, ọga n'azụ ekweme o, onye ọ nyere n'aba o. Nnokokoko, ọga n'iru ekweme o, ọga n'azụ ekweme o, onye ọ nyere n'aba o. What do you want me to do for you?
Great one. Uchenna, the friend to my brother Okezie. I want him out of the way because he is becoming a thorn in my flesh. He traveled to the city and he will be coming back today. I don't want him to get back.
Olu kwe ko si olu. Uchenna. Ani ma be ku eme. Ani kwa na eme. Oya mela ji we jog na be ndi mo na mbosi nkwo. Awe nata no bosi eke we melie egbechi anye ze ndi mo. Oya mela ji bulo ze ndi mo. Awe che ye chichizo ye chizu. Ani kwa na eme. Uchenna. Uchenna. I urge your spirit wherever you are. From east, west, north and south to appear here now. Uchenna. Appear. Akonya. He's already coming back. Look at him. How do you want me to stop him? Is it by madness or accident?
Great one. Accident is better. No. Let him die at once.
That is accident.
Yes. Pay.
Monde wuna ndede ndo ana makpoku nu na-eke na akpoku n'ole na afọ. Na asị. Uchenna na ban accident. Okwu ihe chọrọ. Ngwa. Nekwe. Ne ya no bago, ina fia. O mego. Ya no bago, nsi gị na ba.
What is that?
Uchenna.
Which Uchenna?
Mazi Okonkwo's son. The one that stays overseas.
Hey, what about him?
Hey, Papa, he's dead.
Dead?
Yes, so. They said he had an accident with his car on his way back from the city.
Yeah. That serves him right.
Papa, is he getting?
Nothing. It's a pity. That young man. Anyway, I'm going to Goose house. Maybe I will stop and send my condolences because of the late father who used to be my friend. Huh?
Oh, okay,
if anybody comes, let the person I'm coming.
Good, I love him. Oh, he's very poor.
Poor is understatement. He's wretched. A church rat for that matter. I don't even know what you're still doing with him.
But he loves me. He has true love for me.
Love Bakwoku. He loves me. A man that cannot even take care of you. You're telling me he loves you. If you ask me, I will say you better do away with him.
If I leave him, who will I run to?
Lorena, my friend, don't worry. The right man will come, eh? Just forget that. Talk of the devil.
Emeka.
My love.
You're here.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I was missing you and I decided to come and see you. Oh, sorry, I couldn't. Sorry. How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome, eh?
Good to see you.
Yes.
Ina chak. Imane ichakali otu a igulok.
How are you now?
I'm fine. Did you miss me?
Small.
Just small. I smile for you again.
What of that clothes you said you buy for me?
But I told you I don't have money now. Are you angry?
Why shouldn't I? You're not taking care of me. Just look at me. Look at me.
Don't worry, I'll try. I'll start trying better. Okay?
You better. You better.
I'll
You
try.
have to start going. My father will soon come back.
Oh. It's okay. I'll miss you.
Go now. I know I miss you to go.
Can't I at least get a kiss?
No, go.
Don't try me! Eh? If you try me, I will show you. Don't take me for granted. What is wrong with yourself? Okay, Nemegi. Yes, Mama. Tell her. You will show me. You will show me. With which hand? I can't Nemegi, you will show me. Oh, obviously. You're relying on this cockroach to fight your war for you. Eh? It is you that is a cockroach. I don't blame you. You should look at your mouth. You have no home training. That's why you can talk to me anyhow. If you think that you can take over my husband, better think again. Because I will not allow that to happen. Look at who is talking. A woman that left her husband's house and ran after another man is now back. You cannot collect anything. Maybe you thought he has bought an aeroplane, and then you come back, you will be disappointed, Monica. He is free to do anything he wants. No, he's not. Okay, now. He's not, because I went on sabbatical leave and I am back. I want to go. Now, how come I need no long working? Just stay away from my husband. And this thing you're carrying, this thing you better take it out. You should be ashamed of yourself. Carrying a baby for another woman's husband. Oh, wait, you want to take over my property, okay? Our property, that is what your intention is. Omangale. Oh, if you go, which property are you talking about, Monica? Which property came here? Or that Riketika? Kogini? Is there another property? Is that why you came back? No, I'm sorry.
Mama asked me, or is there more? Maybe Uncle has bought an aeroplane without our knowledge.
Let me tell you, I, Monica, will not take that nonsense from you. Monica, sorry. Sorry.
You know you're very beautiful. Why don't you accept at least? Let me show you what I can do.
The only problem is that I need a man that can take care of me.
I can take care of you. I'll tell you something. Taking care of you is just a small thing. I am the heir to the wealth of Maziobo. I can take care of you. I will lavish you with money.
Because I'm expensive.
Haha! When I go expensive. What am I? I take care of expenses. Whatever, whatever, I will take care of it. Nambu Maziobo Jinko. So just agree. At least let me take you out tomorrow.
Okay. Oh.
You've accepted?
Maybe.
Oh, do you know you're very sweet? You're very beautiful. That's some pity. How?
What are you looking at?
What he was on the between your legs. I can keep myself there.
Not now.
Baggy and I pay Buffalo before. May go take with Yvonne. Keep going over there. You're going. Wait, I know where the unit a lot. Can go see a van and your mom by Morgan.
You must go back, on your just sabbatical. If you go for sabbatical, you must come back, no matter how long it takes. You will remain there. I have taken over because you left your husband. I am back. You are go back to your house. This house is my house. I've come to stay. Cockroach, can you hear? What is it?
I'm warning you. See, I'm warning you. Mind your business in this house. I'm warning you. Look at her. You prostitute. Don't come close, though. I'm warning you.
Calling somebody pro.
Leave me alone.
Monica. Hey! Leave my daughter alone. Leave my daughter alone. Leave my daughter alone. Leave my daughter alone. Why are you fighting my mother? Leave me alone.
house! In this house! Get inside! Get inside! Hey! What is all this mess?
He said he likes me and he wants to date me.
So what did you tell him?
Nothing yet.
Mazopo's son. Mazopo is now rich. I think this is your opportunity to go and eat his money. Yes.
He said he wants to take me out tomorrow.
No problem now. At least I'll go with you now. We'll go and check out his pocket.
No problem. We'll go now.
No problem.
Baby, drink. Drink anything you want. I will take care of you today. I will pay. If I don't need the living, I'm paying it. Eat something. Oh, you want that one? Obago.
You a king, why you are speaking. This one now because anybody that Cameroon. Why in Cameroon?
Customer.
Hold your ass. Go bring 7 crates. 7 crates. 7 crates. Hey! 7 crates.
Give me this plate of pepper soup. What's it? Good head. Hey! Big stout.
You are king, why others are bastards?
The only man that is working on with 7 crates. You see about with 7 crates.
Anybody that tries to cluster you, I will go him overboard.
Make it 10, make it 10. Oh, don't allow me to speak.
Lovey, your trap have caught a very big animal. They see the way that guy was just spending money in the hand.
But what of Emeka?
Oh, what do I do? I know Kokundi Dindi now, but Emeka leave Emeka now. Emeka does not have 1 naira. Hey, love you. Oh my God. See
Oh my God.
God, you see the way they were just hailing you. Emeka, forget Emeka. Emeka will get 1 naira. Love you, oh my.
Yeah, also, who took the money from my room? Also, I know you must have your hand in it. Because no other person will go to my room and take that money but you. I don't blame you. I don't know where that stupid woman got it from. Because stealing doesn't run in now. Papa, it runs. Papa, it runs so. A snake becomes a snake. I go am only for you there. You can't even want on you. You know, yes, you know him. Never, Ottoman one has no him. Never tomorrow, man, you. I would have made you now. You know me. What be money go? Who you get out of your fight set on you?
Who did you say he is?
Papa, he's Mazi Opo's son.
Opo, my good friend?
Yes, Papa.
Okay. That is son that came back with the mother Monica the other day?
Yes.
Lovey, you made a right choice. You see? Try and hold him tight and look for ways to suck him dry.
Papa, trust me. Trust me, you know what I can do.
Well, but this one you gave me now is too small. Oh. I know that next time it will be bigger than this.
Definitely, Papa. I will. He has been asking me for my down below. But I told him he will give me 20,000 naira first. Then he will get it.
20,000 naira for your down below? It's too cheap now. Don't you know that you are too beautiful? Tell him to give you 50,000 naira so that you will have value for your down below.
Papa, 50,000 naira?
Yes.
Do you think he has that much?
If you really want your down below, he has to go and look for money anyhow. I won't deceive you now. I'm their father.
Papa.
But there's one thing I would have asked you to do.
What is it?
I would have wanted you to go for Opo himself because Opo is now money. Who has money now?
Are you serious?
Yes. Only I don't know if people will start talking. Or how do you feel? Because if you can get Opo, get his son, we are in money now.
Papa, forget about what people will say. I don't care about what people say. As long as I'm Lovina, I don't care.
It's my daughter. Opo is in money now. If you have chance for Opo, carry Opo, carry the son.
Papa!
Akudo, I need your help. I need you to help me talk to your friend. I don't know what I did to her that made her say she doesn't want me again.
Is that what she said?
That is what she said, though. As is only Busip or Bioko.
Don't worry, I will talk to her.
Please, please. Huh?
I said I will talk to her. As you can see, I'm going to the market.
Okay. I'm banking on you.
Mika, I've heard you now. I said I'll talk to her.
Baby, please. It's not fair. I'm telling you, it's not fair.
You're still here. You're still here. You don't want to go, Abi? You don't want to go. Okay, I'm coming. Shalom.
Akudo, help me talk to your friend now, please.
Mama Kwano, now go, eh? She said you should go. Why not go and come back, eh? Go and come back later. Lawa, go.
Hey! See what you caused. I poured water on my body. Go! You're still here. You're still here. You will not go home. Okay.
Yamokin was in me.
Now, Papa, I'm millions old.
Assassins.
Like that,
Happy baby.
Hey, Makajara.
Beginning.
For us. Wait for me.
Great one. I greet you. Great one, I'll bring this to you. Take this.
This is 5,000.
Yes. Please manage it.
Is that okay? Hey man, I can't even more than Camel, man. You can't if I were more, so we make it one. You're welcome.
Onzo. Great one. Thank you for all you've been doing for me. There's another request I want to make.
I'm listening.
It's about my son. Also, my son is behaving like a fool. You know, Obo is a great man. My son is not behaving like me. Eh? Please, I want you to do something for me. To take care of him once and for all.
Okay. Ebili na twande mmo. Na tuna bane. Akpokwo mu no kunu beto ni ife. Tuoni ife kunu tuyaria. Makunu tuyaria anyenyo we nyuputi fa ga eme. Makengo lo nwa na acho. Kenya anya naka. Enye tanya naka ga we malifa yeme. Nya akpokwo mu no sikunu tuyaria. Ka nwe fu we futa. Akpokwo mu na eke. Okunu no ya na afọ na nkwo. Ka e wee nye onye pụta ife a ga-eme maka nwa anabata anyị n'aka. Ogbo, you will come back in next 1 week. I will give you something for him. And he will drink it. Ọ bụ na ọ ṅụcha anya. Onye bụ na ọ bago. Ọ ṅụcha anya, ebiri a na-atụ na mmụọ, ebido tụba n'ife. O mezie ka nna ya, ọ bụrụzi o yiri nna ya. No, utusi we choya. Nabna, abago.
You mean I should come back in the next 1 week to take the concussion?
When you come back,
that is, if he drinks it, he will start behaving normal.
Ask him namba igabia, he will start behaving like you. Ebiya na tuna ndemmo, ebiro tuba na ndemmo, I na mebi anu.
Okay, thank you, great one. I'll come back in the next 1 week. Thank you.
Ekene munu. Ndị na-afụ m anya, ndị na-afụ anya. Ndị na-ene m anya, ndị na-ejele ozi. Ekene munu na ekene unu n'olie na afọ na nkwọ. Na-asị unu jide kwunu ji.
Mama, if I tell you what I saw.
What did you see?
Mama, I saw Papa and native doctor.
I know your father is a desperate man. But the idea of visiting a native doctor,
Mama, I am telling you what I saw. Mama, I overheard Papa and the native doctor. Where Papa was telling the native doctor to do away with me.
It's a guinea?
Yes.
My enemies can never get the best of me. It's a guinea? So this is what Opo and Philo are planning. They want to kill you so that Philo and her children will inherit everything, okay? Okay. It's not possible.
Mama, what do I do?
What do you do? That is a good question. I think what we should do is we should move fast. We should first kill your father. That way you can take what is rightfully yours.
him with a dog. You will promise him half of the inheritance when he finally comes to you. I am sure he will agree to that.
Mama, half is too much now. Half.
Narabifa. Promise him first. Let him kill your father. Then we'll take that one at a time. We'll handle that one when the time comes.
Baba wants to kill me.
No, really. Not while I'm here. Nobody.
You said you are going to give me half of your father's property.
Yes, great. We are not even cool.
This is a promise made before the gods and must be kept.
Yes, great one.
Oh, Luganya. Ebili ndi mmụọ. Ọfọ ajeje. Ọfọ njeko. Ọfọ odogwu. Ọfọ dị ile. Kedu ife anyị ga-eme maka olukwe? Olukwe. Sunu mepe m anya ka mfu ya. Ọkọ ga-esi wee ga. Ana m afụ ya. Nya ọ gafee. I will inflict him with an incurable disease. A disease that no medicine man can cure. Not even the greatest native doctor. And I'm even milk. Look here. You are going to place this on the ground. A place you know he will cross. Immediately he crosses, he will be inflicted. And that disease will kill him in 8 days. In Ivenkul.
Thank you, great one. I heard.
Do you understand me?
Yes, great one.
What did I?
Great one. Should I say, rub this on the
Say something on it.
Say something with it.
Whatever you want.
Place it to anywhere easy. Okay.
In 8 days.
She's dead.
Remember, you said you give me half of your father's property.
I heard what you said. Great one. Thank you very much for this. Yeah, not from me. What even am? Great one, I've heard
Hey! Opo! Stingy man! Opo, I'm going to kill you for half of your property. I will kill you! You always coming here to give me 500 naira, 5,000, and say you are coming to thank the gods. This is what I want. Hey, nah.
Very soon, you'll be my own. Very, very soon. Engage na nigga. Elete.
Papa! What is it? What is it, Ozo?
Papa, come. Papa, come. I thought I saw this light on. Light was on there.
You thought you saw which light on? Is that why you're shouting? Also?
I thought I saw the light on.
Which light?
Taking the phone out, Abba, what is it?
Hey!
Abia.
Hey! Also, come! Come and help me, also! I can't move my leg, also come! Come, also! Hey! Also! Come and help me, also! Hey! Also!
No, sorry.
Philo, where is Monica?
Monica, I've not seen her since morning.
She does not care about my condition. That woman is very wicked. She's wicked and bad. Philo, thank you. My God will bless you. Thank you.
Lovina, I will soon become a rich man like my father. And you know what? I will marry you.
You will marry me?
Hey! And my God, Lovina, I will marry you. You know now my father is very sick. Very, very sick. He's down. The illness doesn't have cure. Even survive. And once my father dies, I will automatically inherit everything. Even if no and when that happens, I'll come and bring you, then we'll live together as husband and wife.
So I can tell my father that I'm pregnant.
Everybody, I'm the one in charge. If I confirm,
I love you.
I love you too.
Go.
Papa, there is something I want to tell you.
Going to tell me? I'm listening.
Papa, I'm pregnant.
Pregnant for who?
For Ozo, of course.
Have you told him? What did he say?
He said he will come and marry me because he will soon become rich when his father dies, and that he will inherit all his properties.
He said so. You see, I'm beginning to think that Ozo and the mother have a hand in his father's predicament. Because all the places I took his father to, none of them could cure him. Anyway, none of my business is there. I will even want the father to die so that he will marry you, so that we will inherit their wealth and look for a way to manipulate them, manipulate him and the mother. So don't panic, I'm with you. Huh?
Okay, Papa.
Is my food ready now?
Let me go and check.
Oh, yeah, fine. Also, I will feel marry my mother, my daughter. The father will die. We will inherit their wealth. Manipulate them. Take my time. All I'm going to do. Oh, but more about do good. You do all that here. I am alive. I am very, very much alive.
So you are alive?
What morning?
Crazy?
I am very, very much alive.
You are alive?
Yes. Oh,
crazy.
what is the meaning of all this? Papa! I am alive. Anyway, I and my friend were caught with drugs. He was sentenced to death. I life imprisonment. A new government emerged and released us as part of his reconciliation agenda. That's why I'm here. So I am very, very much alive.
So you're alive? Okay, dear. I am sorry for all I've done to you.
What did you do? I don't understand. Opo, what is all this?
Monica, all the money that I've been spending belongs to Kizie, my younger brother.
What?
But, Kizie, I have squandered all the money you sent to me.
Jesus Christ!
Hey! What? The only thing left is the car. You can have it to start a new life.
What is it? What is it? Hey! Philo, what is the meaning of all this? What is this?
My husband, please, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. When the news of your death came, I and my children were devastated without having anyone to go to. So, when your elder brother came with a promise to take care of me and my daughters, we had no choice but to submit ourselves to him, because I still love you so much and do not want to leave your family. Please, Dim, my alum, forgive. I'm sorry.
Oh, please, forgive Mama, please. Uncle, forgive Mama. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. Papa, please.
Papa, please. Temper justice with mercy. I know you still love Mama so much. And Mama loves you too. Please, Papa. Please.
Please, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I still love you. Nothing can change my love for you. No problem.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let me go and see my Zimbabwe back, right? Okay, Papa.
Papa, be careful.
I have come for the promise you made.
I don't have anything. My father's brother came back and took away everything.
Agreement is agreement. The gods killed your father for the price you named before them.
Let the gods go and bring back the whole properties, and I'll give them their own share. Seba Ponyala!
How dare you?
How dare you too? How dare you? Who do you think you are? It's not Natugebu. It's not Natugebu. Nala. Come on, Seba Pon.
Nkume da adaba. Adaba mecha wo da nkume. Adaba bonge. Aya magonye dalo.
Wa makani o. Na buari angu.
Hey, me Ponyala. Stop it now. Stop acting like a madman, Biko. Also, Biko, see me rope, Biko can nadia.
Anywhere makani o.
Can't come in anywhere maka.
Anywhere makani.
Also, all I call Guinea. Also, also, I believe because let's go. Yeah, can I also? Please come and help me. Come and help me. Let me take him inside. Don't be Kahara. Yeah, no, because yeah, no, why don't you look why are people? Come and help me, please. Also, up when you know. Please, now I'm telling you. Please, when a madman enters the market. Also, AfricanMo. Also, hey, get on, Timo, hello, Bikono, hey, Biko. Also, tell him. Also.
He cannot do it. No, sir. Lukube. Hey, this me Lukube. Hey, this me Lukube. Why?
Hey! You don't behave like me. Leave my house. Papa. Leave my house. Go and meet all that impregnated me. Leave my house. Go away.
Papa.
What?
Papa, you know what advised me to do this.
If I advise you, you can't use your brain. Leave my house. Go. Get away from my house. This is not Odo's house. This is Odo's house. Nonsense. I told you to go and collect money and use your brain. You go and keep yourself. They finish you. Nonsense. Oh,
leave my house. Go back to us or whatever you call him. Go back.
No.
Leave.
No, I'm not going. I'm not going.
What don't you understand?
This is a mistake.
Okay, what don't you understand? Go or the name of that or whatever you call him.
I'm not going. I'm not going. I'm staying here.
Leave.
Please, I'm sorry.
I said leave this place.
Emeka, please. Emeka, because don't go. Because